Welcome to today's lecture. We are talking about the microbiology and its field. So microbiology basically it is classified into the two types: basic microbiology and applied microbiology. Now, if you see this basic microbiology, the basic microbiology again classified on the sub themes on the basis of by the microorganism, by applying the process, as well as disease related one. Now if you are talking related with the on the basis of the microorganism, it having the bacteriology related with the bacteria, phycology it is related with the algae, mycology it is related with the fungi, virology it is related with the viruses, parasitology it is related with the parasites, and the protozoa it is related with the protozoa. By applying the a certain process with the help of the microorganism, again it having the three types: microbial metabolism, microbial genetics. So in microbial genetics we are talking about the DNA as well as the RNA, that is an expressions. And this is related, again it having the subtypes. Immunology it is related with your immunity. The epidemiology it is related with the diseases one, the epidemics, and the another etiology. Now we are talking about the applied microbiology. Again it having the three subtypes: disease related, environmental issue related with the environmental related activities, as well as the broad spectra that is in industrial sectors. In a disease related, we are talking about the infection from the microorganism, either from the bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, as well as the parasites one. At the same time, we are talking about the control, how to control all these diseases in the society. And the chemotherapy, this is a diagnostic part, that is a treatment with the help of the certain antibiotics are there, it may be the antiviral drugs are there. And the environmental related issues regarding with the pollution controls are there. So we are study under the head of the environmental microbiology. The industrial, the food, beverages, pharmaceutical, genetic engineering through the recombinant DNA technology is there. Now we are talking about the branches of microbiology. So that is a wide scope of the life sciences student. This microbiology includes the bacteriology, protozoology, nematology, phycology, virology, immunology, parasitology, as well as the mycology. Now, what will be the scope when you takes the UG as well as the PG? So during this time, after you gain the knowledge, you have to apply our knowledge, and you are applied it to the various fields. The very important regarding with the agriculture microbiology, food microbiology, medical microbiology, genetic engineering, environmental microbiology, geochemical microbiology. This is regarding with the certain cycles: nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, phosphorus cycles, exomicrobiology, industrial microbiology, molecular biology, and the last but not least, that is a biotechnology. Thank you.